to see you again. Today we are going to see a very interesting experiment. Okay, today we are going to do very interesting experiment, that is air. So air is a mixture of variety of gases. It consists of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 0.04% of carbon dioxide and rest of the other gases also. Air, it is made up of atoms and molecules. These are very loosely packed. So that we cannot catch up air because it is free flowing in the air, right? In the atmosphere. It is very free flowing. Matter, it exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. When you take solid, molecules are very tightly packed and it has a fixed shape and very hard to touch. And when you take a liquid, for example, for the solid, if I take this pen, it is made up of solid substances, right? Atoms and molecules very tightly packed. If I put down, it won't stay, it won't flow, it will stay at one place. If you see, look at this. So it stay at one place, right? So when you take apart the liquid, if I am taking the liquids, atoms and molecules are loosely packed and it has a fixed volume. It has no shape. When I pour this liquid down, have a look up, have a look. Yes, it will flow. It won't stay at one place because of the molecules are loosely packed. Same, air is very loosely packed. Molecules are very loosely packed. And it has no definite shape. It has pressure. It varies according to the temperature and it can be compressed. Air has weight. Very interesting, no? As I told you, molecules are very loosely packed. You cannot catch up air. And how it possible to weigh up? How it possible? Is it possible? Yes. Can we make? How can possible? How it possible? How it possible? Can we catch up air and weigh like this? Is it possible? No, right? So it is possible by means of very interesting experiment. You all have fun with balloon. Yes, it is going to be fun experiment only. So I have taken two balloons. One is blown balloon and one is unblown balloon. I have tied this balloon with the help of woolen thread and the string. Okay, so you need only three things: stick, balloon and thread. Okay, if you want, you can just paste it with a cello tape. Okay, now you are going to observe by your naked eye. So inside this balloon, air occupies space. Inside this there is no air. So by doing this experiment, you are going to observe the result and you are going to tell the result that air has weight. Just observe by your naked eye. What is happening? What is happening? The stick is moving towards this blown balloon because this blown balloon inside air occupies it, right? Or air occupied inside the balloon. So air has weight. Again you can have a look, observe where stick is going, move towards the blown balloon. So this experiment proves that air has weight. Thank you children. We'll meet next experiment.